Hey guys, welcome back to AI Boss. In today's video, I'm introducing you to a powerful AI video generation tool called Vidu, with a focus on one of its standout features, reference to video. This unique feature finally solves a common challenge for AI video generation, maintaining object consistency in continuous content creation. But what's really exciting is that Vidu has just made a big improvement to the reference to video feature. With their most advanced Q1 model, you can upload up to 7 images, and Vidu will intelligently combine them into a smooth, cinematic video guided by the prompt. It literally looks like a movie scene. I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. So let's dive in and see what this AI can really do. The link to Vidu is in the video description below. Click it to get started. Once you sign up with your email and log in, you'll land on Vidu's main dashboard. Right at the top, you'll see 4 powerful features. Reference to video is Vidu's newest and most advanced feature. It allows you to use multiple reference images in a single video generation, such as characters, backgrounds, or objects, and Vidu intelligently stitches them together. This feature redefines the way AI video content is created. You can easily add or remove elements at any time and build entirely different scenes using the same characters with consistent style and appearance. Image to video, text to video, and AI sound effects. Let's get started with the main feature, reference to video. First, select a video model. Vidu offers several options. Vidu Q1, the latest model with the clearest visual quality. We'll use this for the best results. Vidu 2.0, optimized for faster generation speed. Vidu 1.5, known for dynamic movements, great for animated content. Vidu 1.0, the original, more basic model. We'll go with Vidu Q1 to take full advantage of its high resolution output. Now upload your reference images. You can upload 1 to 7 images. I'll upload different PHTOs for this example. These images help the AI maintain consistent character appearance and styling. Next, write your prompt based on the uploaded images. Turn on the Pro toggle. It enhances your prompt with extra detail automatically. Now, select your video preferences. Duration, resolution, movement style, aspect ratio, number of outputs. Once everything's ready, just hit generate and let Vidu's AI do the magic. A short wait and here it is. Just look at that. Vidu turned my reference images and prompt into a cinematic, high-quality video. The visuals are clean, smooth, and full of detail. It's seriously impressive how accurate and artistic the results are. You can download the video directly or even upscale it for higher quality output. Vidu also provides sample reference images, so you can test it out without uploading your own. Let's try another one. This time we will change everything. Now let's move on to the second major feature, image to video. Here's how it works. Upload one main image. This is the character or subject you want animated. Optionally upload a background image for better scene setup. Write your prompt to describe the action, emotion, or camera style. Select your preferred video model like before. Then choose your video duration, resolution, aspect ratio, and style. Click generate. And Vidu will create a dynamic, lifelike video from your single image. And here's the result. Cinematic, expressive, and full of depth. The facial expressions, subtle movements, and realistic vibe are just incredible. It really brings the character to life with just one image. Now for the text to video feature, this one's super fun. You don't need any images, just write a prompt and Vidu will create a full video from it. Select your model, choose duration, resolution, movement style, and aspect ratio. And that's it. Just look at the result. The video looks so realistic and cinematic. Everything perfectly matches the prompt I typed. This is Next level AI creativity. Vidu really brings your imagination to life, so there you have it. Vidu is a total game changer for anyone looking to create professional looking videos with AI. Whether you're a content creator, designer, marketer, or just experimenting for fun, the reference to video feature makes it fast, fun, and powerful. I've added the link to Vidu in the description below. Make sure to check it out and give it a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.